My character name is conductor in this drama.
My name is Binishan. My character name is European in this skit.
My name is Rajesh. My character name is Porter in this skit.
My name is Aisha. My character name is Gandhi. In this drama, we taken from this skit screenplay Gandhi. Gandhiji pushed out of train. This drama taken place in South African railway station, Maritzburg railway station, interior night. Tell me, do you think about hell? No, neither do I. But this man is a Christian and he has written.
Excuse me, but how long have you been in South Africa?
A week.
Well, I don't know. Have you got a ticket for?
Here, Coolie, just what are you doing in this car? Why? I have in first.
How did you get hold of it?
I sent for it in the post. I am an attorney and I didn't have time to.
There are no colored attorney in South Africa. Go and sit where you belong.
Take your luggage back.
No, just a moment, please. You see, Mohandas K. Gandhi, attorney at law. I am going to Pretoria to conduct a case for an Indian trading firm.
Didn't you hear me? There are no colored attorney in South Africa.
Sir, I called to the bar in London and enrolled in the High Court of Chancery. I am therefore an attorney. Since I am in your eyes colored, I think we can deduce that there is at least one colored attorney in South Africa.
Smart bloody kafir. Throw him out.
You move your damn. Shammi karke to next station.
I always go first class. I have travelled all over England and I have never. Let's go first class. I have never.